Okay, let's try it again. Hit the button. 1, 2, 3. Everything pops up. All right, you gotta wait till everything goes through. Wait until it says diagnostic mode. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BC. Press it. Hold it. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. Don't let it go. Just keep on holding it until it says, wait a minute, that. Let it go. Press it again. Keep holding it. Don't let it go. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. Just keep on holding. Let it go. Press it again. Keep holding it. Don't let it go. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Let's see if it'll do it. Oh, keep saying unsuccessful. Don't know why.